guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today guys, we will pluck the flowers, jasmine flowers, and a little bit raining. It's early morning. No, Lila, keep it there. Just keep it there. So yan si Olo na. Gadabo-dabo. Ay! We are calling dabo-dabo, means little. Hold. Here in the ano. So ayan, we're going to remove the jasmine flower. Ayan guys, kita nyo, kinat namin ng ano, ng machine. Napakadami, napakahaba yan na ano, na mga ano ba, mga halaman, grass. Ayan, pinagpuputol kasi nga mahaba na hanggang baywang ko. So si Dada there. Ha? Be, say hi. Isi yung aking okra. Pinag-ano ko ng binhi. Ayan. So, we will make it this one. I can remove and put in the sun. So, make it the ano seeds. Again, dry. So, that I pluck the flower. There is a flower. Orlinder. Because I want to show them what you are doing, what you are picking, what you are removing. So this is the, yeah. It's look like in our country, this is sampagita we called. Yeah. But here it's jasmine.
But here it's called jasmine.
Yes.
In Dubai called what?
Dubai, say no, but in Philippines, this is a sampagita we called. Here, jasmine.
Here jasmine, Dubai. Dubai no, jasmine.
This one guys, it's old already. It's more than how many years?
6.
What 6? Since Dada is small, we will change this one. The small.
When Dada was small, he used that one.
Which one?
He also.
I remove also.
He's taking about himself also.
Because of the rain. Yan guys, so pinag-remove namin yan. Ito malapad dito yan. It's a. Who's that? Wala, ano nang ano. Ito guys. This one is what is this? That is a squash, Olin. Squash. Oh, mga halaman na. This one also squash.
You always cut it, but
and this one another flower. Look at this guys. This is the pink one flower also, but I don't know what is the name of this flower. We are pluck also the flower and sell it. Ayan. Yung aking ano, may ano. That is flower. This one also have flower. We have too much grass because how many months now it's only rain. So all the grass is you know, have what you call that one, become big and long. So this is it. Bakit ako guys nag-i-English? Kasi nga may mga followers ako guys na nandito. So sinasabi sa akin na mag-English daw ako. So hindi nila naintindihan yung aking salita. So it is, yes, like this. You can remove and this one. Look at this.
It is finished already, don't you know?
Have he still? This is not small, it is big. You cannot see because it's down. Ayan. Konti lang nandun sa kabila din marami. Like this. You forgot. This much. Look at this. Ayan. Be. Hi.
This is rope. You tie jasmine in this rope. This rope is made from banana leaves.
Not leaves.
Banana leaves.
Banana skin.
Banana tree skin. You
Banana
make,
skin.
Dry the banana skin. After that, you make rope.
Yes.
Then you tie like this. You keep 2 flower. You make one round like this and make touch like this.
Yes, like that.
Same. Continue until you finish all the flowers.
Yes. See. It seems like what you call this in Philippine Sampaguita. But the Sampaguita is, you need to, the bloom same like that. Same like this. Yes. And
That is different flowers.
you can
You
try.
won't find jasmine flowers in any other place.
So this is it done.
It will be like this when you try all.
This jasmine, it's lots of what you call that one, things to do, right? For the what you call that, perfume, essence. What else?
You can make so many things. This for temples,
Yeah, for
church.
temple, church.
They make
for
candle.
wedding.
They make candles, perfumes,
Yeah.
essence.
For wedding also. Anyway, any function.
When one day old, it will be like this.
Yeah.
This is yesterday's flower. Today it
It's already
become.
bloom. It's already open. So this is it. Now I will tie also, because I know how to tie. So I will continue. Dada, what is doing? This is every day we are doing, guys. If there is too much flower, we need to tie and give there to sale. My mother-in-law teach me how to tie this one. So, mother-in-law, my mother, my mommy.
Mommy or Amma?
What I call
Both are same. Amma in Kannada. Already.
this is, guys, Dada finished.
See how beautiful it is.
Can I see?
How much it is?
This is 150.
150. Still, I did not finish, guys.
Today less. Yesterday was more.
Dada, what is this? Dada!
Ah, yes.
Actually, you're a rabbit and she is the
Tortoise.
the
But this tortoise is very slow. Slower than tortoise.
rabbit is
Still
running
the-
very fast.
Still the rabbit won. In rabbit tortoise race, tortoise won, right? But here rabbit won.
Surely.
Orlin is playing guess the word game. What is that, Orlin? What? Joker fish? Clownfish? Maybe. Yes, clownfish.
My favorite, I have saw this one. I have saw it.
I'm
Guess.
done.
Remember the position of all emojis. Which one? Quickly. Red one where? No. No. You are confused. No. No.
I'm done.
You're wrong.
I only choose the
You're done. Now fix it.
flower French fries. French fries. Dada, French fries.
Yes.
French
French
fries.
fries.
French fries. French fries. Basketball.
One gone.
Yeah.
Basketball.
Don't remove.
Dada, basketball.
Basketball.
Dada, can you play with me just now? Don't
Just wait. Let me finish here. Your mama is, I don't know what she's looking.
Angry bird.
What is
Dada. Angry bird.
Yeah. Angry birds. There is two birds. Plural.
but one is gone from here.
No problem. Leave it. How many it is? 200. Hey, Tamo.
Tama! Tama!
Alre. Nilay. Mangana.
Tama!
Cool bus.
What? He's lazy. So this is finished product.
See here.
So the keep in the banana leaves like this.
This is the sheet. You put the name here so that they know that it's from us. And you pack it like this. So that it won't get wet.
Same like Linupi.
Dada, baby shark is there.
Like sweet.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Ah, pura. Dawala to, yeah.
Dawa?
Pura. Bielo.
There's a dog there.
He's very scared. He's very scared.
He's not scared.
Hurry. Down. What's it?
He cannot go because the dog is not there. How he can barking and run there?
Ah, pura, yeah.
Olen, see, look how they come up in the tree. Coconut tree. Say, auntie. Say hi. Hi. Oh, see, look how they go up. Wow. Oh, see, look. Look, Olena. See how?
Maybe the monkey is going to eat it.
No monkey there. That is uncle. That is your uncle, Olen, not monkey. See, the monkey is waiting. See, look. Before they remove all the coconut, we need to remove all first. Look at that. Someone is there. This na. Ayan guys. Nakuha. Napakuha ko ng ano. Gawing silhig ba? Silhig ano tawag dun? Broomstick. Gawing broomstick. Walis. Na siya. Ang galing, diba? Ang baryo-baryo ang kinuha niya doon. Ayan. Monkey.
This rain also playing. Since morning no rain, now see.
And then